Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Have you ever said something smart in a meeting and no one listened? Then someone else said the same thing and suddenly it was genius? You're not alone. A recent global survey revealed that 83% of people regret not being respected more at work, in relationships, in life. And here's the worst part. They don't even realize what they're doing wrong. Today, we're breaking the silence. I'll reveal 7 shocking reasons you're still not getting the respect you deserve, and the simple, Stoic fixes that flip the script. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about unlearning the habits that are sabotaging how others see you. Reason number 4 will make you rethink every conversation you've ever had. Let's get into it. Reason. Vern 1. You apologize for existing. Problem. You walk into a room and say, "Sorry I'm late. Sorry to bother you. Sorry if this is a dumb question." Stop. Right there. Every sorry that isn't truly necessary trains people to see you as beneath them. Example, Emma's brilliant. But in her weekly team meetings, she prefaces every idea with, "Sorry, just thinking out loud. Sorry, if this isn't helpful." Guess what? Her team tuned her out, assuming she didn't believe in her own ideas. Stoic fix. Instead of saying sorry, say thank you. Not sorry I'm late, but thanks for waiting. You're still being polite, but from a place of strength, not submission. Why it works. Stoics taught us to control our response, not the world. Replacing automatic apologies with mindful gratitude shows you own your presence, and that earns quiet respect. Reason number 2, you use weak language problem. Maybe we should. I think this could work. Just wondering if that's the language of someone asking for permission, not someone leading. Example, John asked for a raise, saying, "Maybe if it's okay, I was thinking I might be considered for a salary adjustment." His boss blinked, then said, "Let's talk later." They never talked. Stoic fix. Speak with decisive framing. Say, "I've added X value. I'd like to discuss a raise." Own your thoughts with language like, "I believe this works because let's move forward." The moment your words carry intent, so does your presence. Listen closely. This changes everything. You teach people how to treat you with every word you choose. Reason number 3. You avoid eye contact problem. You glance away, down, to the side, anywhere. But at the person speaking, that tiny flicker of avoidance, people read it as submission, anxiety, or guilt, even if you're just shy. Example, Carlos had brilliant ideas in class, but when the professor asked him a question, he'd mumble and look at the floor. People thought he didn't care. Truth? He cared too much. He just couldn't hold the stare. Stoic fix. Practice calm, steady eye contact, not a staring contest, but a connection. When you speak, look them in the eye. When they speak, stay present. The Stoics believed composure is power. Holding eye contact says, "I'm not hiding." It makes people lean in when you talk. Mid-roll CTA. If you're taking notes, smash that subscribe button. We're fixing your reputation for good, and we're not done yet. Reason number 4, you over-explain yourself. Problem. You feel the need to justify everything. I was late because the traffic was crazy, and then my phone died and... Stop. Over-explaining is a respect leak. It tells people, I think I owe you a full defense, even for small things. Example, Nina emailed her boss saying she needed to leave early, then added 4 paragraphs about traffic, her kid's doctor appointment, and a backup plan. The reply? Okay, Stoic fix. Be brief, be clear, be done. Say, I'll be out at 3 p.m. for a family obligation. No fluff, no novel. You're not asking for forgiveness. You're informing with respect. Less talk, more impact. Reason. Bugger 5. You laugh when you're nervous. Problem. You say something serious, then laugh. You bring up a concern, then chuckle and say, I know it. Sounds dumb. People pick up on that mismatch and subconsciously dismiss you. Example, Marcus brought up an issue in a team meeting. There's a recurring bug in the code, haha. It's probably nothing. Guess what? Nobody fixed it. Next week, the system crashed. Stoic fix. Let silence do the work. After you make your point, don't rush to soften it. Let the words land. Nervous laughter isn't kindness, it's insecurity. Practice speaking and pausing without needing the laugh to cushion your message. Mid-roll CTA. If this is hitting home, share this video with someone who needs more respect. Let's build a generation that speaks with clarity and strength. Reason. 6. You avoid conflict at all costs. Problem. You'd rather say nothing than risk upsetting someone. You bottle it up, nod along, and pretend everything's fine. People notice, and they respect you less for it. Example. Tina's coworker kept interrupting her. Instead of addressing it, she smiled and waited her turn. Week after week, same thing. People saw her as passive, not polite. Stoic fix. Speak up with calm courage. Say, I'd like to finish my thought. Or, I want to revisit something you said earlier. Disagreeing respectfully is not rudeness. It's leadership. The Stoics weren't afraid of friction. They welcomed the opportunity to test their strength. You should too. Reason Narga 7. You don't. Respect yourself. First problem. You accept less than you deserve. You joke about yourself. You tolerate people who treat you poorly. And deep down, you've taught others to do the same. Example. Liam was the funny guy, always making self-deprecating jokes. At parties, people laughed at him more than with him. He didn't see it until his crush told him, "You're cool, but you don't take yourself seriously." Stoic fix. Stop belittling yourself for a laugh. Start honoring your time, energy, and presence. Set boundaries. Say no when it matters. Speak well of yourself, even when you're alone. Remember, people mirror how you treat yourself. Want more? Respect. Start by giving it to you. Respect doesn't come from being loud, rich, or famous. It comes from clarity, composure, and consistency. Start small. Practice one habit this week. You'll be shocked how quickly people start treating you differently. And now, the bonus phrase that commands instant respect, and 99% of people never use it. Ready? Here it is. That doesn't work for me. No apology, no drama, just boundaries. Stated clearly. Say it when someone oversteps. Say it when you're pressured. Say it when silence feels safer. That doesn't work for me. It's firm, calm, and powerful. Try it this week. Watch the difference. If this video gave you even one insight, smash that subscribe button.